Students, welcome in this YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about one case study based question, and this question is taken from class 10, chapter 14, statistics. So let's see what is in the question. A medical camp was held in a school to impart health education and the importance of exercise to children. During this camp, a medical check of 35 students was done, and their weights were recorded as follows. So here in this column weights were given, and here number of students are given. So first of all, below 40 kilogram weight 3 students were there. Below 42 kilogram weight 5 students were there. Below 44 kilogram weight 9 students were there, and so on. And at last below 52 kilogram weight there were 35 students. So my dear, first of all we need to change this into class intervals, because these are not already given in class intervals. And here this is not frequency, this is given a cumulative frequency, because there are total 35 students, and here in the last column also 35 is coming. So it means it is cumulative frequency. Okay, so we have to change this cumulative frequency into frequency, and here class intervals. Then we will give the answer of these following questions. So let's start. If you see here, there is the difference of 2. So first interval will become 38 to 40, then 40 to 42, then 42 to 44. So this way we will change the intervals. So we have seen that there is a gap of 2 here. So first interval will be 38 to 40, then 40 to 42, then 42 to 44, then 44 to 46, then 46 to 48, 48 to 50, and then 50 to 52. This is last class interval. So we have changed this into class intervals. Now this is CF. So first of all write here CF only, or we can write here CF. This is cumulative frequency, right? So this is 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 31, and 35. Okay, so in front of this we will write here frequency, right? How to change CF to F? So let's see how. So first number you write as it is. Okay, now take the difference of 5 minus 3, that is 2, 9 minus 5, that is 4, 14 minus 5, that is 5, 14 minus 9, that is 5, 28 minus 14, that is 14, 31 minus 28, that is 3, 35 minus 31, that is 4. So this is CF, frequency is this is CF, sorry, this is F, this is CF. Now here some questions will be there regarding mean also, some of mode also. So let's do one by one. So we have this table. So first question is model class of the given. So here model class of given data. So model class, first of all we have to choose here model class. So I want to tell you what is model class. The class interval where the maximum frequency is there, that is model class. So see here, where is the maximum frequency here? This is maximum frequency. In all these 14 is maximum. So this is model class. 46 to 48 is the model class. So A option is correct here, right? So B is calculate the model weight. Okay, so for finding the model weight we have a formula, that see here, what is the formula? Model or mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, I tell you what are these. First of all, you are to see that what is model class. Model class we have found out now only, that is 46 to 48. Okay, so lower limit of model class is L. So L is 46 here. Iski lower limit kya hai? 46. Okay, now see, this is model class. This is model class. Okay, so its frequency is F1. Okay, and its frequency previous to this F1 is F0, and after F1 it is F2. Okay, so here you can write F1 is 14, f2 is 3 and f0 is 5. Okay, f0 is 5. And I tell you what is h. H is the size of the class interval. So here size is of 2 to 42 to 44. What is gap? 2. So h is 2 here everywhere. So we have found out all these. So fill the values now. So mod is equal to L. L is 46 plus f1 that is 14 minus f0 that is 5 over 2f1 that is 2 into 14 28 minus f0 that is 5 minus f2 that is 3 into h. H is 2. So we have to learn this formula first of all. Then it becomes 46 plus it is 9 over 28 minus 5 is 23. 23 minus 3 is 20 into 2. So 2 is cancelled with this 20, 10. So 46 plus 9 over 10. 9 over 10 is 0.9. So 46.9 is the mod of this. So 46.9 is B option is correct here. Now the third question is, which of the following cannot be determined graphically? So we know that we can find median graphically very easily. By drawing ogive, we can draw median. Mode also can be drawn with the help of graph. And mean cannot be possible to draw with the help of graph. So mean is the correct answer because we can draw median also, mode also. If you want to know how to draw, then I'll make some other video for this. So mean and median can be drawn with the help of graph, but mean cannot be. So mean is the correct answer here. Now the fourth part is the mean of the following data. So for finding the mean, we are to draw this table again and find out the mean. Let's start. So this is the table, Ci then Fi we have drawn. Now for finding mean, we are to find out Xi also. This is called mid value. So what is mid value of 38 and 40? 38 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 39. Okay, then 40 plus 42 divided by 2, that is 41. Okay, so 2 gap is coming, so it is 43, it is 45, it is 47. Mid value we are finding out 49 and then 51. So afterward we will find out Fi Xi, means we have to multiply this and this, Fi into Xi. So 3 into 39, 117. 2 into 42, 41. So it is 88. Here 0. Sorry, 82, not 88, sorry, 82. Then 4 into 43 is 172. 5 into 45 is 225. 14 into 47 is 658, right? Then 3 into 49 is 147. 4 into 51 is 204. So now we have to add all these sigma Fi Xi. Sigma means a summation. We have to add all these. If you add all these, you will get 1605. Okay, and here we have to add frequency also, and you know what is the sum of frequency, that is given 35 students. So 35 is this. So mean formula is summation Fi Xi over summation Fi. So we have to divide these two. 1605 divided by 35. So with 5 it is 7 and 321. If you divide these two, 7 4s are 7 5s are, then 7 8s are, and then 5s are. This is 45.85 is the correct answer. So let's see, this is given here also or not. 45.85. Yes, C option is correct option, 45.85. So let's see what is the fifth part. Fifth part is mode and mean of the data are 12k and 15k. K means 1000, 12,000 and 15,000. The median of the data is what? Or you can understand K anything else. Okay, so see here, mode is given to you 12k and mean is given 15k. We need to find out median. So beta, we have one formula, empirical formula, we speak to that. That is, if we have mean, from mean, median, mode, we have two things are given and third we have to find out, then we will apply this formula. Always remember, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Memorize this formula. Okay, this will be applied when From these three, 2 are given, third we are to find out. So let's fill here. Mod is 12k is equal to 3 into median, so we are to find out here, minus 2 mean, 2 into 15, that is 30k, right? So 30 will come here. So 12k plus 30k is equal to 3 median. So 42k, 3 median is 42k. So median is 42k over 3. So you know 42 over 3, how it is? What is it is? 42k over 3, 14k. So median is 14k. So 14k is the correct answer here. So B option is correct. So this way we will solve this case study based question. Thanks for watching.